Friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are learning and practicing Nweh.
I hope that you have been following along with our Nweh alphabet.
Please follow along while we do this audio.
Great. There are 31 letters in the Nweh alphabet. Okay, 10 vowels. Do you want to sound it out for us, Fonyi?
Of course. A, E, I, U, O, U, U.
Okay, great, Fonyi. Let me take that slowly. It's A, E, I, O, U, and U. Okay, and then we do have 21 consonants in the Nweh alphabet. You want to try sounding that out for the fair?
Sure, why not? B, ch, d, j, g, j, k, l, k, n, p, r, s, t, w, y, z.
Nice attempt for the fair. Let me take that slow. B, ch, d, f, g, g, j, k, l, m, n, p, r, s, t, v, w, y, z, I. All right, friends, I hope you're following along at home. So next we're gonna start with our vowel sound. A as in aku. A as in what?
Aku.
Good. So who wants to try reading what is here?
Me.
Okay, Fonyi. Read what is written there.
Ja, Nji, Agi. Aku, Za, Si, Na, Janga.
Good job, Fonyi. For the fair, you want to try too?
Sure. Je, Nji, Agi, Akuzia, Ina, Janga.
Nice attempt for the fair. Let me take that slow, okay? It's Jia Njigi. Akuza Senanjanga. Jia Njigi. Akuza Senanjanga. That is, look, that's Nji. His leg is hurting. Okay? Practice at home. Next example is Akate. What?
Akate.
Louder.
Akate.
Okay, who wants to try reading?
Me.
Okay, for the fair.
Mesin joie, lele ate. Mesin tongo, akate.
Great job, for the fair. Fonyi, you want to try reading too?
Of course. Bese, joie. Lele, ate. Bese, tongo, akate.
Great job, Fonyi. Okay, I'm going to take it slow so that you can follow at home. So, me senjoa, lele ate. Me sentongo kate. Okay, that's hi, my name is Ate. I am reading a book. Okay, this is the last slide. We're going to do an activity to fill in the blanks. Okay, so we're going to do picture reading. Who wants to try reading the first picture?
Me.
Okay, for the fair, you read the picture, the first one, please.
The first one shows a leg, which is Aku.
Aku. That's great. A leg in Nweh is called aku. Aku. So let's try spelling aku together. Okay? Okay, let's go. How do we spell aku?
Ah.
Ah.
K.
K.
Ooh.
Ooh. Good job. Aku is ak. Ooh. That's how we spell aku. Great job, girls. Next picture. Who wants to try naming the picture?
Cheer.
It's a chair. That's right, Fonyi. But how do you say that in Nweh?
Alanga.
Alanga. Great job for the fair. A chair in Nweh is called alanga. Okay, let's spell alanga together, please. Ah. L.
Ah.
Ah.
Mm.
Ng. Okay. Ik. Okay.
Ah.
Ah. It's alanga. Great job, girls. That's how we spell alanga in Nweh. That is l. Alanga. Great job. So the last picture, who wants to say what it is?
Me.
Okay, Fonyi, try. Okay. What's the last picture?
Umbrella.
Umbrella. You're right, but you have to say that in Nweh.
Umbrella.
Fonyi, we learning in Nweh. We know that that's an umbrella. Can you say that in Nweh, please?
Akate.
Akepte. For the fact you got it right. It's called akepte. Okay, akepte. So let's try spelling akepte together.
Ah.
It's a k. Good. P. Ta. And A. That's akepte. That's how we spell akepte in Nweh. Okay? So it's a k e p t a. Good job, girls. Now we've come to the end of the day. So we've learned 5 words that starts with the letter A. Okay, so can you name, let's just name those 5 words quickly.
Aku.
Aku, good for you.
Alanga.
Alanga, good for the
Akapte.
Akepte, good for you.
Atu.
Atu, good. And
Akate.
akate, good. So we have akate, atu, aku, alanga, and akepte. So now we come to the close. Try to practice at home, friends, and we say
Bye-bye.
Achagap.
achangap. Okay, whoa, achangap.
Achanga.
Goodbye.